Design 103 is where everything comes together with the actual execution of your design project. We walk you through every step of our proven process, from finding your inspiration all the way to placing your furniture orders. By the end of this course, you'll have a defined plan for your space, including a mood board, color palette, and scaled furniture layout. We help you with budgeting and prioritization so you have a comprehensive list of everything you need to finish your space. You'll complete this course with a fully designed room and the confidence and pride in truly completing your project.
Design 103 features 5 content modules with hours of video lessons. And you'll receive our 38-page digital workbook with your purchase. This detailed resource guides you through each lesson of our course.
We of course recommend working through all 3 courses in our design school bundle, but if you really need that step-by-step instruction to execute on your specific design project, Design 103 was built for you.
Join us today for just $249 and get lifetime access to the entire course. Your dream home is just a click away, and we can't wait to get started.